Hey, you are watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel. This is UMIDIGI Z2 Pro, and today we have the first video with unboxing of this phone. Some weeks ago we made full review of UMIDIGI Z2. You can watch it by the link in description. Pro version received more powerful chipset, wireless charging support, and some other improvements. So we decided to focus on main differences between UMIDIGI Z2 and Z2 Pro. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The package of UMIDIGI Z2 Pro is the same as UMIDIGI Z2. It comes in the same black box, while inside you can find the smartphone with back case. If you buy more expensive ceramic version, then you will get wireless charger in the package, but I don't have it. At first glance, UMIDIGI Z2 Pro doesn't differ from UMIDIGI Z2. It has the same dimensions, notch above the display, and thin bezels on sides. Also, we should note about dual camera on the front. On the back you can see a dual vertical camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader. We have a model with glass back panel and metal frame, just like UMIDIGI Z2, but also there is ceramic and carbon versions. By the way, this color is called Gradient Twilight, and it really looks interesting. In the rest, UMIDIGI Z2 Pro is not different from Z2. It has USB Type-C port, hybrid slot for dual SIM and microSD memory card, but there is no 3.5mm audio jack. As for the display, there are also no changes between Z2 and Z2 Pro. This is 6.2-inch IPS panel with Full HD Plus resolution 1080 by 2246 pixels. It is one of the best IPS panel that I've ever seen. It provides very good viewing angles, contrast and brightness. So we come up to the main feature of Pro version. UMIDIGI Z2 Pro is powered by more powerful Helio P60 chipset. Also, it has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage with microSD support. As you remember, UMIDIGI Z2 has Helio P23 and 64 GB of storage. Helio P60 is really more powerful than Helio P23, and here is Antutu result from both phones. As you can see, Pro version has almost 140,000 points, while Z2 offers only 85,000 points. Later, we will make detailed performance tests and try to play latest Android games on high graphic settings. Meanwhile, you can see performance test of UMIDIGI Z2. UMIDIGI Z2 Pro received the same camera sensors as UMIDIGI Z2. Both phones come with dual front and dual rear cameras. There are 16MP and 8MP sensors with f1.7 aperture on the back. The front camera also has 16MP and 8MP sensors, but with f2.0 aperture. We already made camera test of UMIDIGI Z2, and you can watch it by the link in description. How do you think? Is it worth to make camera test of UMIDIGI Z2 Pro if it has the same cameras? Write in comments below. It is interesting that UMIDIGI Z2 Pro received smaller battery than Z2 model. It has 3550 mAh battery compared to 3850 mAh in Z2. Both phones has fast charging 18W, but only Z2 Pro support wireless fast charging 15W. However, you will need to buy wireless charger additionally, because only ceramic version has it in the package. We have wireless charger from other manufacturer, and we can test it on UMIDIGI Z2 Pro. As you can see, it really works. Later, we will make battery test of Z2 Pro and compare the result with Z2. The link to this video will be in description. One of the main features of UMIDIGI Z2 Pro over many other Chinese phones is support of global bands and NFC. Yes, you can use this phone worldwide. It has slot for dual SIM and microSD cards. Both SIM slots are compatible with 4G LTE. Also, the smartphone has NFC, dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. UMIDIGI Z2 Pro has two speaker grills on the bottom, but only one of them makes sound, while another is used for microphones. The sound is pretty good and loud. However, there is no audio jack, so you will need to use Bluetooth headphones or adapter from USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack, which comes in the package. It was unboxing of UMIDIGI Z2 Pro, and at first glance, it doesn't differ much from UMIDIGI Z2. It has the same design, display and cameras. However, it received more powerful chipset and wireless charging. Later, we will make performance and battery tests of this phone and compare results with Z2 model. If you are interested in camera test, write in comments below. I think it doesn't make sense, because these phones have the same camera sensors. You can watch UMIDIGI Z2 camera test by the link in description. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.